Join me now on the program is Tom Sforza with Best Auto Service Center located here in Tannersville. And Tom, great to have you on the program as always. For people who don't know at home, Best Auto is a family-run operation and you've been running it for many, many years.
Yes, George, we've been here since 2007. Members of the community, we're a AAA certified repair shop, A.S.E certified. So we've been in the community so long, George, that we've serviced the local police department, the fire department, the local ambulance company. So they trust us with their vehicles and they come here.
It's a good reason for people out there to trust you with their vehicles. So let's talk a little bit about Best Auto Service Center. You handle all different types of vehicles. It doesn't matter how old they are, you can work on them.
That's correct. We do all makes and models from the 30s right up to 2023. Cars, trucks, foreign, domestic, it doesn't matter. We work on it all.
And I know one of the best things you have is the warranties that you offer here. A lot different than some of the other repair shops.
Yes, we offer the 2-year warranty. It's a nationwide warranty on parts and labor. So no matter where the customer goes, they're covered. So even if they drive to Florida or California, they're covered under that warranty.
Tom, with the winter season now upon us, people want to have their cars prepared and ready to go because you have the snow, you got the ice.
Yes, we're doing a winter service checkup, yes, for $19.99. We'll check the vehicle over. So we're going to check their hoses and their belts, their antifreeze, the wipers, the batteries, and other things, because in cold weather, the batteries could discharge and not start the vehicle. We want to make sure your brakes and your tires are okay.
Yeah. This is a climate up here in the Poconos where people really should consider getting full, real snow tires.
That's correct, because all-weather tires are not winter tires. They're not going to handle as well in the snow. And stay safe, and you want to put those winter tires on.
Let's talk about rust proofing for your car. This is a great time of year before all the snow falls, and then of course they start treating the roads, and that gets underneath your car and can cause damage.
That's correct, because once that rust starts forming, it just keeps going and going. We get some vehicles in here, they look really good, and you put them up in the air and the chassis are starting to rust. We put the NH oil, it's a system that we put on that. And we also have something for mice.
The mice need a place to go, they're going to go in your car.
Exactly, yep. Under the engine, they get inside the air filter housing, they get inside the car, and they can make a mess, or they chew on wiring and cause a lot of problems.
And when you're having your car done here, you have a shuttle service that you can get them to where they need to go while the car is being repaired.
Yes, that's one of the things we offer, which most shops do not have. We have that courtesy shuttle van, so we drop people off to their homes, or they have to go to work or get picked up. We provide that. We've been doing that for years too.
Best Auto Service Center has all the state-of-the-art equipment. The technicians here are certified and they know what they're doing.
That is correct, yes. They're all certified. We fix things right the first time. We're your best alternative to dealer service.
Tom, people can get their new or used car repaired here. They don't have to go to a dealer for that.
That is correct, yes. The dealer cannot void a customer's warranty simply because they are not bringing it back to the dealer. My technicians use they use tablets, so all their work is done through that. They'll write down what the customer needs on the tablet, take pictures and video if need be, and then they send it to my service writers up front, and then the writers will price out the job accordingly and send those pictures and video to the customer so they actually can see what's going on with their vehicle.
So if people want more information about Best Auto Service Center, where do they get it?
They can look us up at the web at bestautoservicecenter.com. We're located at 2945 Route 611 in Tannersville.